Hello and welcome to a new topic, 9 best ways to learn new words. There are various ways through which we can learn new words. The first is when you meet an unknown word, what should you do? You should first try to guess the meaning from the context, the surrounding words and the situation. This is the first technique you should apply. The second is by adding prefixes, because prefixes add the shapes of the words. Like for example, net, and you add prefix inter and it becomes internet. Likewise, we have search, you add re and then it becomes research. We have act and you add prefix inter and it becomes interact. We have chips and you add prefix micro and it becomes microchips. Likewise, we can learn new words by adding prefixes. Point number 3, by adding suffixes. How? Let's see. We have the word store and we add suffix at the end of the word age and it becomes storage. Likewise, we have inform and at the end we add ation as suffix and it becomes information. Invest, at the end we add suffix ment and it becomes investment. Power, and we add suffix at the end ful and it becomes powerful. So these are also one of the ways through which we can learn new words. Now we go on to the next, that is point number 4, by lexical family or word class. How? Let's see. Digit, it's noun. This, and we have another word digital from the same family, but the word class, the class of the word changes, the form of the word changes from noun to adjective. Likewise, we have digitally, it becomes a adverb. Likewise, we have digitize from the same word class, from the same lexical family, and then it changes into verb when we add suffix ize. Digitizer, we add suffix izer and it changes into noun and the word is from the same family. In the same manner, we have digitized. So we can also learn new words by lexical family or word class. We move on to the next, that is to say point number 5, by synonyms, which are most popular. Like we have laptop, and laptop is also commonly being used in modern time as notebook. Then we have desktop, and popularly known as personal computer. We have tablet and its mobile device. And we have motherboard, it's also known as main board, system board, circuit board, and so on. So through synonyms, we can also learn new words. Now we move on to the point number 6, by compounds, that is to say by adding two different words together and then you have a new word. How? Let's see. Check plus book and it becomes checkbook. Now we have another compound word. We add two words like mother plus board and it becomes motherboard. Likewise, tele, working, and then we have a new word teleworking, and microprocessor, and then we have another word microprocessor. So by compounds or by adding two different words together, we can make a new word. This is also one of the best ways to learn new words, new vocabulary. Now point number 7, by collocations, word partners, or sometimes we call word friends. That is to say, there are some words which normally goes with a certain set of words. Let's see. For example, we have access. Access normally can be used for access information, access knowledge. Likewise, we have handle, and this word handle well goes with this word handle tasks, handle the situation, we can also say that. Then we have surf. Surf is normally associated with web, that is to say surf the web. Then we have web and we can say web page. We have the web again, and this time we can make another word, that is to say web browser. So by collocations, that is to say by word partners, means there are some words which suitably go with particular kind of words and they make a very good combination to give a very perfect meaning to us. So this is also one of the ways to learn new words. Now we move on to the next, point number 8, by word trees and spidergrams. We can also learn new words. They can help you build up your own mental maps of vocabulary areas. You can make a diagram to classify things, and this way is very effective in learning new words. For example, see, we have PC. that is to say personal computer, and we have some parts of the personal computers. Sometimes we memorize and we forget. So if you follow the word trees or spidergrams, you can learn those words very easily in an interesting manner, and they will remain in your memory for a long time. So let's see. We have personal computer, we have a branch, you can say branch out of this tree, we have processor, which is a most important part of computer, that is to say brain. And then we have peripherals parts, we have RAM, memory. So this is also one of the ways to learn new words. Likewise, we have another examples. Take peripherals. And what are peripherals? We can include input devices such as mouse, keyboard, and so on. Then we have output devices. We have printer. We can have a scanner too. Then we have storage devices, that is to say hard disk. So word trees and spidergrams, they also help us learn new words in a very effective and interesting manner. And the last one is point number 9. By using a monolingual dictionary, which gives you a lot of information about new words. I say monolingual dictionary, that is to say not bilingual dictionary. Don't try to learn a new words through bilingual dictionary, that is to say from English into Arabic, Arabic into English, or from English into French, French into English, or Italian, and so on and so forth. Go for monolingual dictionary, English into English. And how? This laptop computer, if you go for monolingual dictionary, you will see that laptop is generally considered as computer, and it's noun and it's countable noun, and the meaning is generally reflected as a computer which is small enough to be carried around easily. By consulting monolingual dictionary, it also helps us learn new words, but this is the last resort. First, try to adopt all those 8 techniques which we have just discussed. I hope you understand the concept. Try any of these techniques in your learning experiences. I hope you will succeed and you will enjoy. Thank you and goodbye.